Chapter 9, Number 12. Two identical cars, each traveling at 16 meters per second, slam into a concrete wall and come to rest. In car A, the airbag does not deploy and the driver hits the steering wheel. In car B, the driver contacts the deployed airbag. A is the impulse delivered by the steering wheel to driver A greater than, less than, or equal to the impulse delivered by the airbag to driver B. And B, choose the best explanation from among the following. So we want to talk about impulse, and impulse is F delta T. It's also delta P. This first bit is the definition, and this second bit is what's called the impulse momentum theorem. So, since the cars are identical, traveling at the same speed, and then come to rest, delta P for car A is the same as delta P for car B, which implies that the impulse on car A is the same as the impulse on car B. And if we look at our options, this is basically option 3. And both of these other options are wrong because they imply that one of the impulses are different, and they're not. So there we go. The impulses are equal because of choice 3.